Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on the prompt for Dephemberember number 8, beads and postage stamp dangle. So stay with me and welcome once again. So for today's prompt, I'm going to be using this clap that I have here and also these amazing little charms that I have around and I'm going to be using in my project. So I need also a chain and I'm going to pick the color gold because I like it and also because I have this chain and I really want to use it. The first thing, I'm cutting a chain the size of my journals. So I think I'm gonna be needing one of the rings to make the clap ring a little bit bigger. So I think this is the perfect thing that I need. Okay, so we have this complete and this is the skeleton of my dangle. I love this one, especially they are super meaningful for me. I just need to open this a little bit and go in that part of the chain. So you're very welcome to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting these 25 wonderful ephemeras as well as other crafts and amazing things I'm gonna be doing along the year and along all the days. This is the dangle. I am going to be adding something here that is super different and also nice. But as it is gold, I need to see if I have something else in gold. I have this little jar and little mushrooms. So I want to cut them here so they can fit inside of the little jar. Probably I just need one. Let me see. Yes, one. I don't think the second one is gonna fit. Oh yes, it went through. So I have the two mushrooms. They look really nice and I can probably go with a tiny little beads like this ones. They are red but they have like sparkles of gold and blue. They're super nice. They can go like in the bottom of the little jar. I have the little cork, the mini cork. Here, let me see, this is apparently all closed. I can open here and it goes right there. Quick reminder, today we're working with beads and postage stamp dangle. So as far as I'm going, I have all this dangle here. I'm using a gold chain that I love and I place some mushrooms inside here. Now I place in those little thick cardboard, I place this little tag that says courage and music on this side. What I'm doing in this chain here in the dangle is placing all the things I really love in life, like the stars and also colors Also, I love tropical birds. As I said before, I love music and I need to have courage for life. And then I have these mushrooms that represent forest, nature, and also the jar, like for potions and my lab work. Also, I'm going to use this little tag that I love because it says bamboo. We need to be like the bamboo, flexible, useful for everything. Just think about all the things that can be done with bamboo. So we need to be like that. So this bamboo here, and it's also in botany, and I love botany and plants. And then I have this card I printed in a smaller size, so I got the same moth but in this size. I love orchids, especially phalaenopsis, and they are called moth orchids. Also, I have this stamp, so I can probably go with a stamp in the back, or I don't have any place in here, and I don't want to full cover all the music because I really love the result. So I'll probably go with a stamp here, and I'm going to cover that that bee because I don't have too much space. I'm gonna go on top of the music. So this is a really nice project. So we have an ephemera for every day from the first day of December till the last 25 day of December. In here I'm just placing a tiny bit of this cardboard, and it's really rough, and I painted using this metallic green. The number is A708, and I really love the result. Actually, this is kind of too white, so I'm going to go with my distress vintage photo to make it a little bit darker. Oh, I haven't told you that this stamp says love, and also as I'm placing everything I love in this dangle that I'm building here, love is also one thing that I really love, is to love people and to love what I do. So this is the result. This is my dangle for today's prompt, and I'm going to hang it on a book so you can see the final look of everything. We need to check number 8 for the prompt of today, December the 8th, beads and postage stamp dangle. This is ready, and I am very happy with the result. So I just need to tell you, like, if you like this channel and if you are courageous to do and to start your journal, start today. You're gonna be amazed when you see your creativity and the things that you are able to do. So follow for more videos, and I see you very soon in the next episode. Bye bye, take care, friends.